Welcome back to NoSaltBP. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and at NoSaltBP.com. And today I have a new device that I will be cooking in today. This is the Ninja Foodie Grill, not the Ninja Foodie. And we're going to do some stuffed portobello mushrooms. So let's get started, shall we? I have my shrimp, dump that in there, along with some lobster, and of course, Alaskan crab legs. I'm going to place that all in a bowl. I have taken the stems of the portobello mushrooms along with some green onions. I sweated them out and they're going in here. And we're going to stir this all in very gently. And we are done with those. I'm using my favorite seasoning. Dust it across the top. Stir it in some more. Kind of like fold it. Don't stir it. Fold it in. I will add in some Philadelphia cream cheese, which is nice and soft. And we're just going to fold this in to the cream cheese. And what we want to do is to make sure that the cream cheese covers all of the ingredients. So I will be adding a little bit more. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. And of course on YouTube. See the consistency? It's nice and creamy and soft. I'm just folding everything in. Our next step is some cheese that I shredded. Fold that in. Oh, this smells lovely. So now I have portobello mushroom. I took the time to hull out one of the mushrooms. You want to hull all the innards out, and I'm going to do one on camera. You want all of this to come out. Very gently. Just go around and hull it out. And these were washed prior to my doing this, but I want to do one on camera so you guys can see how to take all the inside of the mushroom out. And it looks a lot like this. And so we're going to begin to stuff them. With our lobster, our crab, our shrimp, our seasoning, the stems of the mushroom, and green onion along with the seasoning. So that's one. And this is two. And we still have a little bit left over, so we can top it off. The Ninja Foodie Grill is a wonderful device. Much like the Ninja Foodie, all you have to do is hit the start, the power button, then we're going to hit the bake. I'm going to put this at 300 degrees. And place these in. I'm going to spray this. And you guys can buy this Crisco Professional Cooking Pro with canola oil. You want to spray all around the mushroom and on the bottom. And of course, underneath, you want it sprayed. You don't want it to stick. So it's preheating, and I will see you in a moment. And we're back, and guess what? Our stuffed portobello mushrooms are done. That is one. Oh, these are huge. And this is the second one with our lobster, shrimp, crab, portobello mushroom stems, green onions. It's completely done. And there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I realize you have many choices and channels to receive your recipe information. However, here at NoSaltBP, we do it without the salt and we count carbohydrates. This was the Ninja Foodie Grill, How to Cook on It, Episode 1, Ninja Foodie Grill. And I will see you in the next one. Good night.